Hey there, Vsauce, Michael here. That's awful. Now, you may be asking, why is there a backpack behind me? Well, of course, that's the thing that we're gonna look through today. Is my school backpack. So before we look inside my backpack, there's a Kanken bag. Oh my god, I love this backpack. I really love it because number one, this is like the second Kanken bag I've ever had. The first one was a yellow one, except it was fake, so you know. But this is original. This is original. I love it so much, and it looks so cute. This Kanken bag has like two compartments, I don't know, 1 and 2 the inside, and then it has like 2 of these things, or you can put your drink or your umbrella, I don't know, whatever you want to put there. The first thing before we go into the big boy, the inside, we're gonna look through the small boy. Here I only have like wet wipes in case you run into some issue, you know what I mean. I'm not yet finished putting all of the sanitary stuff inside here in this compartment because I haven't bought like, sanitary needs. That's all on the outer compartment, and yeah, let's move on to the big boy. Okay, inside, I'm just gonna open it really big for you so you can see. Here's what's inside it, and we're gonna look through it piece by piece. The first thing I have here is this thing. I use it to like plan out stuff. My friend gave it to me. Shout out to Erica. I love you so much. Thank you for like giving me a gift. It helps me a lot for like, planning out stuff in the week. This is how it looks like. It's very epic, my dudes. The next one is this. Wait, actually there are 2. These 2 journal-looking boys. They're really thick. One of them is my sketchbook and one of them is my journal. This one's gonna be my sketchbook. I just finished my other sketchbook, so this one's like a new one I just bought. And it's dotted. I hope you can see the dots. I think you can. I'm sorry, I don't have a good camera. The red book has grids. It's squares. Very one squarey boy. And this is gonna be my diary, which I'll be putting all my thoughts and feelings and my darkest secrets into. And then another one is my watercolor palette. I'm an artist, so that's why I have this. Whenever like I want to color something, I'm just gonna use these boys. I've been using them for a year already. A year, 2 years? I don't know, but yeah, they're very messy. I don't really care if they're messy. I really like how it looks like when it's messy. Next one is my pencils. These are it's Blackwing. Yeah, this is for like my sketchbook. So whenever I want to sketch, I'll just use these pencils. I'm gonna show you what's inside anyway. So I have a normal graphite pencil, 2 Blackwing pencils. This one's for sketching and this one's for like shading. I sharpen it so like really long. An eraser, a normal eraser, and then a kneaded eraser. And then lastly, a cutter. It's not for cutting, but I use it to sharpen this big boy. This very big boy. Just put them all back together. And back to Blackwing compartment looking thing. I got it from an art class I took on like my local art store. The last thing here is my pencil case. It's very large. I love large pencil case. I placed like a sticker there. my friend made this sticker and it's really cute. Shout out to Icy. She's an amazing artist. Inside this pencil case, it's just simple things. It's just for the first day and all. I think it'll fill up once the school year progresses. A sharpener, 2 highlighters, one's blue and one's green if you don't know. Highlight pens, I use them for drawing in case, you know, I want to draw. A little stapler boy. I have a red pen in case we have to check our secrets work. 3 G-Tech pens. They're really fucking good. Except they're expensive, but they're fucking good. It's worth it. But they're really brittle when they like fall and hit the ground and there's a huge chance they're gonna break. I think. I've been throwing this around my room and they're not breaking, so that's pretty cool. 2 of them are 0.4 and one of them is 0.3. 0.3 is like the best size. I don't know, it's really great. I have this inking pen. It's for drawing again. It's Unipin. Boing. And it's size 0.02. You can't see it. You can't see it. Yeah, I'm sorry. More G-Tech refills in case, you know, the ink in my G-Tech pens run out. Markers. They are markers. This is a Pentel pen. It's a chisel tip. Very nice. It's sort of thing in case. These are 2 gray pens in case I want to draw in grayscale. It's like any little boy. It's a small ruler. You can measure your penis. I hate this. Oh my god. Small eraser. I have a lot of erasers. Some sticky notes. This one's a big boy, and this one's slightly a big boy. And then a flash drive. If you don't know, this is a flash drive. It just looks like a card. But if you like press this little thing here, it's a flash drive. So cool. And last but not least is this clip thing. I'm running out of voice. This clip thing. And I don't know what you call them. They're just like for like, I guess, drawing, and then you want to clip the whole page so it won't fly away. Put them all back there. So, you know, let's put all of these inside my bag, and then let's talk about what I expect this coming school year. Yeah. Again, this is a Kanken, and it's a limited edition one, and I'm so happy that I bought this. It's really cute. I like the colors. That's all for my what's in my backpack video. I feel like it. Leave a like, I guess. I don't know why people watch this, but yeah, leave a like, subscribe if you want to. Yeah. And I hope the school year will be great, because I don't know anyone from my class, and it's gonna be a roller coaster. So, wish good luck to me. Anyways, bye.